Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Nothing Ear 2. This is actually the third generation of the Nothing Ear, and let's quickly go inside. As you can see in my case, in my box actually comes like broken, completely broken for some reason, but never mind. Inside we can find this Nothing X app, so we can quickly scan the QR code and connect with the application on the Android devices and iOS devices. Inside we can find the user guide and safety information and the warranty. Right here we can find this case with our Nothing Ear 2. So this is the case, the LED is turned on, and that's actually the design of the earbuds. Let me just put it a little bit closer to the camera. There we go. And on the right side we can find button, USB-C input, and on the back some kind of the serial number and other stuff. And if you wonder about the comparison into the Nothing Ear 1, the previous version, they look actually the same. Take a look. There's like a little bit different design inside. And when you take a look for the same left earbud, let's catch the focus, okay. So the Nothing Ear 2 and the Nothing Ear 1. It looks really close to the previous version. Of course, both devices are actually, let's focus on the Ear 2. The case actually supports the wireless charging. And when you take a look for some other accessories, right here we can actually find the short USB-C cable that looks like this. And in this side, okay, that's actually nothing there, but I should actually get here the ear tips, but there's no ear tips. Okay, so I'm not even sure that there's actually the original product. So maybe I just ordered the fake one. I will actually check the quality of the sound, and if it will be actually sound better than Ear 1, there's probably the original version of the Ear 2. But yeah, that's basically it, the quick unboxing of this device. And if you are looking for some other tutorials like how to connect, how to reset or stuff like this, you can just go into my channel, open the search engine and input all of these phrases that you are looking for. Right now, please subscribe.